Geminines, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. This is the reading for the month of January 2022. Let's see what's going on with you, Geminines, in the month of January. So major changes and major opportunities are waiting for you. Major changes are happening for you in the month of January. A major breakthrough related to career or relationship will be coming. Like, there might be a chance a person is entering into your life, or else a major breakthrough related to financial stuff will be coming towards you. A major financial offer might be coming to you in the month of January. So yes, major changes, major positive changes are on the horizon. What was not working for you up till now, things will start working for you, and which is very positive. I can see that your January month will be very positive, Geminians. And some of you Geminines who are feminines, those might be, giving a good news related to pregnancy, or a good news related to the birth of a child in the month of January, which is very cool. I can see the month of January for Geminians will be really amazing. I can see that. Okay. So, there is a dominant energy. I can also see that, you might be not talking to some people in your life because of certain situations. And but yeah, there is a divine timing. Something is working in your favor. Universe has their own plans. So yeah, something universally and energetically is getting aligned towards you in the month of January. I can also see that you will be a bit stuck related to a situation, either in your career life or in your relationship, in the month of January. So do not get stuck. Let go of the certain things, and whatever changes are coming, okay, it will not happen overnight. Maybe it will start happening in the month of January, but it will take a month of 8 months or 10 months, and then change. Matlab, you can see those changes on an energetic level very soon. Okay, I can also see that if you were daydreaming about certain situations, either in your career life or relationship, you will be very much action oriented. You will just not be sitting and analyzing the things, but you will be taking action towards your certain dreams, certain goals, certain achievements. Okay, and if something is bothering you, if you are feeling stuck into a situation, don't go for it, to be honest. You need to move on. You just cannot sit and analyze certain situations just like that, right? That's the situation I'm getting. Let's see what's coming up for you in your love life, Gemini's. Okay, some of you might involve children. Geminis, some of you might involve children, or some of your life might be affected by the children's. If you are having something happen in your love life or personal life that influence to get into the religious path or a spiritual path. So yes, there was a major shakeup happen in your life, and that started being in that's why you started being into a spiritual path, which is very good. I can see that. I think you need a time for a vacation or a retreat. You need to treat yourself with your partner, or go on a solo trip, or go out. If you're committed or in a relationship, go out with a partner and have a retreat or a vacation. You need to disconnect from the world, and you need to um, let's say go out and explore, and go for an adventurous trip. Okay, romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring, which is very good. So yes, your feelings are real and worth exploring. So if you are having a romantic feeling with someone, or someone is having a romantic feelings towards you, then you need to think it nicely, interrogate it, because I also see that if someone is having feelings towards you, and someone is expressing it towards you, take that thing into consideration. Okay, or if you are dating someone, or if you are having going out on a date with someone, think about that person, if he or she is serious about you. Okay, you need to be considerate about it. Okay, I can also see that there are universal messages for the month of January 2022. So let's check it out. The first one is, when I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. The second message is, instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. The third is, I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. The fourth is, in every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me towards the right minded thinking and the energy of love. So, yes, these are the four messages. I hope you like this reading, Geminis. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of January 2022. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year, guys. And kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, guys. Take care.